What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and today we're going to do a quick catch-up video. We're going to talk about some new parts that we're going to be installing on the RZR and much more. I'm Anthony. This is the Wrenched Out Garage. Let's dive into today's garage talk. So, a couple of things. I've been out with the RZR numerous times. I haven't done a lot of video with it yet just because I'm still kind of in the testing phase and I need to update some of my riding equipment so I can shoot proper video. Now, one of the things with this is I've got 32-inch tires, a bunch of other accessories. I'm not going to go over that again with you guys today, but one thing I did want to do with this is update and upgrade some of their performance. So let's talk about what's on the workbench. And also have another project thing. I'll talk to you guys about that in a different video. Anyways, so right here I have the Gibson dual exhaust. I'm going to do a short install video. I'm not going to go through all of it with you guys, but it is a Gibson dual exhaust. You don't have to repack this. That was one of my big draws to this exhaust, and I did opt for the stainless. I may paint this with some black ceramic paint, but leave the tips chrome. I just like how it looks. I think it looks cool. This will add a couple of horsepower, more or less. It's for the look and the appearance. I got this for a killer deal online. Super happy to get it at the price point I did. Now, what else is on this bench? So I got numerous other items here. We've got the Baird 4-point harnesses still need to be installed. There's the eliminator for the check engine light. My arm's all dirty. Was crawling under the Ranger there. What else do I got? So I do have the EPI Clutch Removal tool, the other tool, gear tool, and then I have an EPI clutch built for the XP4 1000 with 32-inch tires. I went for the utility option, which should give it a little bit more low-end power and smooth out the shifting and a lot of other things. That's the reason I went to that. Again, I'll do an install on that, talk you guys through it. So I have a new clutch, new exhaust, 4-point harness, and one of the last parts that's sitting on the bench right here, this is just hardware stuff, is in this box right here. This is Snorkel Your ATV. This is going to, we're gonna end up snorkeling it, which is also why I got white paint over there. I'm gonna end up painting the tips white. So we'll have a snorkel sticking out the back. We'll have the new clutch installed and of course, new dual exhaust. So the reasons that I opted for those, well, four, because I've got the front 4-point harnesses for the front seat, but the reason we're doing this, a little bit more power here, a little bit more low-end power here, which is what I need. So the power is going to be good, I feel. I may get a tuner for it, we'll see, but that way I know that I'm getting all the performance I can get out of at least this ride, which I'm super stoked because I got really good deals on that stuff and much more. But now I'll also not have to worry about dunking this thing in the water, because I have been in water now up to this upper fender. So we'll install that snorkel kit as well. So a lot of cool stuff coming to the RZR, to include, obviously we'll get out and I'll start shooting more videos with it so I can show you guys. But ultimately, what I'm trying to do is build this thing out to where I've got all of my bases covered. I feel like I've got most of the accessories I want on it covered. I've got some storage, got some protection. Now it's time to just do some performance, and then we'll see where we want to take it from there. But ultimately, the goal for this is that. So more install videos are obviously coming for this. We've got a lot of other stuff coming for the Silverado. I'll talk to you guys about that little thing right there in another video and much more. So if you guys have any questions about the products we used, I'll link them down below if you're interested in any of these. I'll probably just try to find them on Amazon because I'm an affiliate of Amazon. Anytime you click on any of that stuff, it helps us out here at the Wrenched Out Garage. So without further ado, that's pretty much it. More installs coming. I may do another video here after this one, talk to you guys about this auction build, or not. I might just dump it, I don't know. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. If you guys haven't checked us out on Facebook or Instagram, do that. Links are down below for that as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit subscribe. You're gonna see more install videos. I'm gonna get into more of the garage talk stuff, talking you through the reasons why I did stuff, talk you through some more of the garage stuff, and just a lot of other cool things that we've got going on here. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel, and hit subscribe if you're out riding, driving, doing all that fun stuff. Do it safely, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.